Good morning. My dealer told me that this Max 26 didn't need a block heater and that it would start in the coldest weather. He said they had no troubles with it. So it's 1 degree out this morning. I need the tractor. Let's see what happens. Cold start. Just walked out here. Hit the preheater. This is a Mitsubishi Mahindra Max 26 XLT. Now we'll do a cold start on a 1635. Preheat. And we'll give her a whirl. Well, he wasn't lying. I had a Kubota L2501 DT and that thing did not want to start in the winter time. So this Mahindra has got it beat, hands down. Mahindra versus Kubota. I chose Mahindra.